Picture this. It's a serene morning at Yale University. The birds are chirping, you crawl out of your bed after a restful sleep, or a restless night battling P-sets, and then as you approach your common room, you notice a certain smell permeating and increasing in intensity as you enter the space. You think you've located the source of the smell, a single to-go box on your common room table. And right as you open it, this is Drosophila melanogaster, otherwise known as the fruit fly. And yes, this is a true experience I had in my suite last year that haunts me to this day. And you're probably thinking exactly what I was thinking at that moment. Is that fly male or female? I actually wasn't thinking that at all. Shh! Like I said, I'm sure it was exactly what you were thinking. So, male or female? When it comes to fruit flies, the determination of gender is called sexing. Get your head out of the gutter. As I was saying, sexing fruit flies is usually done by distinguishing a few different morphological features. These features include size, abdominal shape, sex combs, genitalia, and striping. Now, if I were to show you a picture of a fruit fly, you probably wouldn't be able to determine its gender knowing that alone. Yet. So, let's break down these bases one at a time. Size. The most basic is size. This one is pretty straightforward, with the distinction being that females are usually larger in size than males. Knowing this is what those relative size differences may look like. I know, groundbreaking. Guess size really does matter. Abdominal shape. Okay, so the next approach we will discuss is abdominal shape. Female Drosophila have a more pointed abdomen, whereas males tend to have a rounder or more blunt one. We can see what this looks like on a top-down view of a fruit fly where the area near the hind legs of the flies comes to a more abrupt point in the female. Genitalia. Another more obvious difference can be seen in the genitalia of the males and females, in which the males, at this same abdominal tip, have a darker pigmentation than their female counterparts. I personally find this to be the most efficient method to sex. I swear, if you so much as smirk one more time, I'm gonna... Striping. Striping deals with the banding patterns on the abdominal regions of the males and females. With this, in the same way the males have the darker posterior region, female Drosophila have a more distinct banding pattern compared to males. As shown in the picture, generally speaking, this just looks like more stripes going across the female's body. Sex combs. These sex combs, as I see things, are the most specific key difference between males and females. They are small, dark bristles that you can find on the forelegs of males and males alone. Females lack these sex combs completely. Males have these sex combs because during mating, they are used to grasp the female's abdomen or wings to stabilize and ensure alignment. Am I even allowed to show this? Anyways, now that we all know the difference between male and female Drosophila, it's time for a short game called
Sex That Fly.
I'm going to show you a picture of a fly and all you got to do is determine its gender. Are you ready? Now.
Sex That Fly.
The one on the left is slightly bigger and has a pointed abdomen with more stripes, while the one on the right has a darker posterior side, a round abdomen. And I think I see the sex combs we just talked about, so I'm going to go ahead and say the one on the left is female and the one on the right is male. Correct! Your prize is... knowledge. Now, you at home also know what goes into sexing fruit flies. Remember, this is all very important information as it is the basis of what helps us uncover and understand the mysteries of sex-linked mutations, linked genes, recombination frequencies, and so much more. You can't set up a cross without it. Bro, who are you talking to? You don't see them? Maybe you should get some sleep. You're right. That's why Drosophila melanogaster are genetic superstars. Thank you.